When you look at the map, Greenland appears to be larger than Australia. If we moved Greenland down to Australia's latitude, you'd see its true size in comparison. In reality, Australia is about 3 times bigger than Greenland. This is due to the distortion caused by map projections. Australia is so huge that Exmouth is closer to Jakarta than it is to Mackay. Exmouth is a western town in Australia, located in the state of Western Australia, right on the edge of the Indian Ocean. Mackay, on the other hand, is on Australia's east coast, in Queensland. The distance from Exmouth to Jakarta is about 1,922 kilometers, while the distance from Exmouth to Mackay is a whopping 3,664 kilometers. Australia stretches across 3 time zones and spans over 4,000 kilometers, from east to west. That's how vast Australia is. Did you know that Australia is so enormous that you could fit the contiguous United States into it? Australia is so massive that it's not just a country, it's a whole continent.